Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to make a dummy in Roblox Studio play any animation you want, all using just a few lines of code. Let's jump right in. First, open up Roblox Studio and create a new base plate. Now, go to the Plugins tab, click Rig Builder, and insert a R15 dummy. This will be our character that plays the animation. Let's add color for character. Next, click on your dummy in the Explorer panel, then right-click Insert Object Script. Now delete everything inside and paste this code. Let's break it down real quick. We grab the dummy's humanoid, which controls animations, then we make a new animation object and give it your animation ID. Finally, we load the animation and play it. If you set track.Looped equals true, the dummy keeps repeating the animation. To use your own animation, go to the Roblox Creator dashboard, upload an animation, and copy the ID number from the URL. Then replace the ID in the script with yours, and you're good to go. For simple, in this case, we are using default dummy animations instead of custom animations. Now hit play or run, and boom, your dummy is alive, doing your custom animation. Pretty cool, right? If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like the video, subscribe, and drop a comment on what you want me to make next. Maybe walking NPCs, talking bots, or patrol paths. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.